Something that I have heard quite often, and even something that I've gone through, is not eating healthier because of not knowing more of the recipes that we can put together that really are empowering for the body. So let's check it out. First we got organic mixed dal, fenugreek seeds. Now we got peas and we got green bean. I don't necessarily recommend adding a starch to this, but if you desperately need to have a starch in your meal for it to feel satisfying, I guess you could put a potato in there. Got some tofu coming in. Why do I like it? It's pretty low calorie, pretty low fat, and no trans fats in there even. Got a little bit of the vitamins in here as well, and for the electrolytes with the potassium. Low carbs, no sugars, a little bit of protein there, so I like that. Because I don't know about you guys, but you know what? Like, my body functions so much better when I'm not eating meat all the time. And furthermore, for me, just for me, it's like once every 3 days or so is about how often a dose of meat does my body well. Fish, a little bit different. A lot leaner, a lot cleaner, a lot better for the gut health, and has tons of antioxidants and is anti-inflammatory. All right, we got the tofu here, we got some spring onions here, we got some ginger about to go in. A little jalapeno for all my spicy lovers. Cilantro. So now we got that mixed dal and we added in some quinoa that we cooked up. And we're gonna go ahead and put on like 1 spoonful of salt right here, as you can see. Now we're gonna add 3 cups of water and set this on to boil for a bit. This cooker actually has a grains button, so it's super easy. Okay, so we're gonna start with 1 tablespoon of pure avocado oil. So this recipe, as you can already tell, I'm sure, is a little bit of this, a little bit of that. We're just trying to keep it super healthy. So like whatever onion you got, you wanna put garlic, you don't wanna put garlic, whatever. Boom, boom, chili, no chili, ginger, boom. This is gonna be for the tofu. So we're just gonna get a little avocado oil in there. Why do you grate like the jalapeno and stuff, Mom?
So that you don't get big chunks in your mouth. It's grated. It'll make a nice little, kind of like a gravy almost, you can say, out of this.
Would you say that also that will help it absorb more flavor?
Flavor, yeah. It'll evenly go into everything versus just a few pieces, you know?
Nice. Oh, Mother Nature, curry leaves. Let's give this. So starting the tofu now, we got some avocado oil, some spring onion in there, some garlic. Now I've got some ginger coming in. I got some of those beautiful curry leaves coming in. Got some Lowry's garlic salt coming in. Of course, some turmeric, always for the anti-inflammatory. Some black pepper for the digestion, and since we got the turmeric in there, it's going to kick up anti-inflammatory properties of the curcumin, helping the body to absorb more antioxidative properties. Okay, give that a little mix so that all the spices and things don't get overly browned in the pan. And because we want it all to get married, it's going to be delicious, you know what I'm saying? Turn that heat down, giving us a little time to smell. It smells beautiful. It wants a little more balance. All right, so it's got the spiciness. It's got the salty. Zesty. I think zesty is what it wants. Maybe a little lemon.
Oh yeah, easy.
So yeah, let's hit it with a little lemon pepper. Okay, a little onion powder. A little. A lot of onion powder. We love onion. And we're huge fans of paprika as well. Find that it kind of like just makes the flavor profile a bit more robust. Just intensifies it all, if you ask me. All right, let's give it a little more mixing and see how the aroma is hitting the senses. So I felt like it was missing something, so we've got some tomato here blended up. Yep, I really believe that that is what the palate was wanting. Let's see. Yeah, that really seems a bit more balanced. I'm gonna guess that it's gonna want a little more garlic salt near the end, but let's wait and just see how it goes. So you see it's like pretty thick, like a paste. So now that should get absorbed onto the tofu quite well. Let's see how it goes.
Look at the little bit of chunks.
Okay, all right, some chunks of tomatoes, yeah.
Lemon juice.
Oh, yep, that's the zesty, the fresh zesty. You know, the senses really know the difference between powders and fresh, that's for sure. I think that my mind believes, or my mind thinks and I believe, that that probably goes back to, you know, before we had all these convenience items like powders, like our divine smell and our senses and everything, like our umami sense, like it knew the difference because we were literally making everything from scratch, you know what I mean? Let's see how it smells.
Okay, this little garam masala.
Okay. All right. You guys are probably wondering when the Indian would come out. Looks like a little garam masala is going to get in there. Let's see how it goes. I never fight the garam masala. It's so delicious. I feel it adds so much to almost every single dish I've ever put it in. So let's see. That really does kick it up a notch. All right, let's see how this goes now. If we are gentle, we are able to saute all the flavor onto the tofu without the tofu breaking so that we can continue to have the nice cubes. Oil. These are mustard seeds?
Mustard seeds.
Yeah. And we're going to wait for those to start popping. Those are popping. You can hear it. Okay, now we have
Jeera.
Jeera. That's cumin seeds. All right. Nice pop. Curry leaves. Nice. Generous with the curry leaves.
Gonna be some
cinnamon stick.
and
And cloves. We're using whole cloves. Okay. Give that a little mix. Oh, the garlic. El ajo. Got the spring onions in there. Saute in the garlic a bit.
A piece of jalapeno.
Okay, a little jalapeno. Right. Okay, that's cilantro.
Well, so far this is just the garlic and curry leaves. And what you call spring onion, a little bit of greens from the spring onion.
Yeah.
Good. And it's cooking. It's going. You can smell the aroma, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay, here's the tomato.
Okay. Rest of that tomato going in. Coating everything really beautifully. You know, I'm sure you could probably use the tomato in a variety of different forms, right? We just find that, you know, liquefying it kind of helps everything to be able to... Yeah, faster, and probably also helps, you know, everything kind of absorb the flavor a little bit more, right? What's it, yeah. And then we don't like to waste, so the blender that had the tomato in it, we just kind of put some more water in there and add that to the grains as well. Bring this heat down a little bit. Some more chunks of tomatoes coming in here, it looks like. That's nice. You know how it is, bro. Gotta snag a bite. Garlic salt going in there.
Gonna be your main meal.
Fresh lemon getting squeezed on these peas and green beans. Those are about to come in here. Keep them more green. And I just love the flavor. I love the citrus flavor. That lemon really turns everything up for me. My immune system appreciates it too. A little bit of black pepper. Yeah. Nice. Now, totally optional add. You got some big chunks of potatoes here. I'm gonna avoid those when I eat, but we've got some other people that want the potatoes in there, so optional add. Of course, a little turmeric gonna go in there now as well. Time for the veggies. Green beans and peas are coming in.
Just got a little bit of time to cook. Right?
Yep, we gave the potatoes a little time in there. And there we go.
Optional. So this is a curry. You can just leave it separate. And we can put some curry powder right here.
Yeah.
See?
So yeah, that could definitely be a curry.
Just be a mixed veggie curry.
Mixed veggie
So
curry
I
for
feel
sure.
like, why don't we leave it separate and then that separate and then just mix the two and eat it like a...
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah, absolutely.
So
Why not?
So perfect. It is in place of rice, you know.
Yeah, we've got the grain dish with the quinoa and the mixed dal. That'll be like the base. Then we've got this mixed vegetable curry here as well.
You can eat this with tortillas if you want.
Yeah, could make naan, could have it with rice, cauliflower rice, or because there's already that grain dish that would satisfy everything as well. And then here's a protein with the tofu, and that is a complete meal. Yeah.
Here's
Boom.
this.
Absolutely.
Here's the curry.
Yes. And there is the quinoa.
It's cooking.
Yep. Still needs some time, of course, but that is the whole picture. Look at, we got the grains, the quinoa, and the mixed dal. Some of the mixed vegetable curry, and some tofu. And we got a little tomato chunk on there as well. Wow.
Yogurt, cucumber, grated cucumber, a little bit of cumin powder, salt.
We have this on the side.
You can of course put chili powder to make it taste better. It's optional, okay?
Wow. And that is gonna cool the gut down. It's kind of like the chash that we make.
Yeah, like buttermilk, but this one's a good, good for your gut. Yeah, absolutely.